Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar said on Friday if citizens continue to ignore COVID 19 prevention norms and cases kept increasing, then the lockdown in the city may be imposed once again. Maharashtra is the worst hit in this country with more than 22 lakh confirmed infections and more than 52,000 deaths till Wednesday, leading all other states and union territories by a massive margin. More than half, that is 57% of the 1,28,000 new COVID infections reported across the country in the past week have been in Maharashtra. Meanwhile, Mumbai reported more than 1,000 new coronavirus cases on Thursday, taking its total case tally to more than 3 lakh, while the death toll in the city has reached more than 11,000 with 4 more fatalities. The cases peaked in September-October, after which there was a decline, but since mid-February, infections have surged again. For the ninth straight day, the city recorded more than 1,000 cases on Thursday, and reports have attributed 90% of the recent cases from high-rises. The Ministry of Home Affairs has asked the northeastern states to stop the influx of people from Myanmar. A letter written by MHA Deputy Secretary Rank Officer to the Chief Secretaries of Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, and to the Director General of Assam Rifles asks them to stay alert and take appropriate action to prevent a possible influx into Indian territory. The letter written on March 10th cites a previous advisory from 2017 which asked the states and union territory administrations to sensitize law enforcement and intelligence agencies to take prompt steps in identifying the illegal migrants and initiate the deportation process expeditiously and without delay. The letter notes that it has now been reported that an illegal influx from Myanmar has also started. The World Health Organization said on Friday that there was no reason to stop using AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine after several European countries suspended the rollout over blood clot fears. The WHO said its vaccine advisory committee was currently looking at safety data and stressed that no causal link had been established between the vaccine and the clotting. Denmark, Norway, Iceland, Italy, Romania postponed or limited the rollout of AstraZeneca vaccines after isolated reports of recipients developing blood clots. AstraZeneca is an excellent vaccine, as are the other vaccines that are being used. WHO spokesperson Margaret Harris told reporters at a briefing in Geneva. 49 students of a school in Maharashtra's Palghar, 116 km from Mumbai, have tested positive for coronavirus. The children are from a tribal residential school. According to information, the positive cases were found when the administration got all the students tested after 3 were found to have been infected by the virus. Those who have symptoms have been moved to hospital, rest in quarantine facility. This comes day after 44 students residing in a hostel in MIDC area near Latur city tested COVID-19 positive. Last month, 47 other students from the same hostel were found infected. Actor Kamal Hassan, founder of the Makkal Nidhi Mayam, which is trying to build a third front in Tamil Nadu politics, will contest from Coimbatore South constituency, he announced on Friday. I see in the battle in Coimbatore South a battle for the soil, language and people of Tamil Nadu. It is not me who will win this. It will be all of Tamil, he posted on Twitter. The Makkal Nidhi Mayam, which has said it wants to give the Tamil voters an alternative to the two Dravidian parties, had earlier announced about 70 candidates from different constituencies in the poll-bound states.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free.
First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.